Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ma'am Kath. So, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at kung nagustuhan nyo yung aking mga videos, please like and you can also share it to everyone. Thank you for supporting me sa mga subscribers ko. Thank you kung meron man. And I know meron namang nanonood. So, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Okay, I will be discussing Math 6 week 4, part 2. So, that is problem solving involving decimal numbers. So after going through this lesson, you are expected to solve one or more steps, routine and non-routine problems involving addition or subtraction of decimals and mixed decimals using appropriate problem-solving strategy tools. In solving problems, you need to understand first the given problem and plan for which operation to use. You may draw illustration to help you visualize your plan, then solve and check. Alright, now let's go. But before we start on how to solve problem involving decimal numbers, let us first review what we had last time. So that is addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. So now let us first try to add 16 and 589 thousandths plus 2 and 763 thousandths. Now, so first step is to write the numbers in column. So we have 16 and 589 thousandths plus 2 and 763. Now, again, first is to write the numbers in column. All the place of value should be aligned, and the decimal point also must be aligned. Now, here, this is addition with regrouping. So we have 9 plus 3 is 12. Bring down to carry 1. Oh, do not forget the carry. Palitan natin ng kulay yung carry para alam nila. Carry 1. Now, we have 8 plus 6 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. Bring down 5. Carry 1. And now we have 5 plus 7 is 12. Plus carry 1 is 13. Bring down 3, carry 1. And now we have 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 plus carry 1 is 9. So we have 9. Then bring down 1. Copy the decimal point. Therefore, the answer is 19 and 352 thousandths. So that is the answer. Again, first is to write the number in column and all place value must be aligned, the same with the decimal point. And then the last step is to add the decimal numbers as a whole number. And then do not forget to copy the decimal point to your answer. Now that is example number 1. Now let's have example number 2. Now let's have 158 and 287 thousandths plus 29 and 763 thousandths. First is to write that into column. Let us write into column. So, pag addition, mas madali. Ano, para kasi nag-a-add ka lang ng whole number. Mamaya sa subtraction, tingnan natin kung paano mag-subtract. And we have plus 29 and 763 thousandths. So we have here 3 plus 7 is 10. Bring down 0. Carry 1. So we have 8 plus 6 is 14. Plus carry 1 is 15. Bring down 5. Carry 1. And then we have 2 plus 7 is 9. Plus carry 1 is 10. Bring down 0. Carry 1. And copy the decimal point. We have 8 plus 9 is 17. Plus carry 1 here is 18. Bring down 8. Carry 1. Then we have 5 plus 2 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. Then bring down 1. So the answer is 188 and 50 thousandths, or pwede mo nang alisin yung 0 sa dulo. 188 and 5 hundredths. So parehas lang sila. So that is the answer for this given. Now let's have the next example. We have we have 1,499 and 99 hundredths plus 500. Now let's see. Let us write that in column. We have 1,499 and 99 hundredths plus a whole number which is 500. Sabi nasa ng decimal point ng whole number. Siyempre, ang decimal point ng whole number nasa likod ng last digit. So, let's write 500. Ito, nandito yung decimal point. And then you can write a placeholder. So, we have 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 4 plus 5 is also 9. Then bring down 1. Therefore, the answer is 1,999 and 99 hundredths. This is the answer. Again, whole number. Pag whole number ang i-add natin sa decimal numbers, we just add decimal point and a placeholder para hindi kayo nalilito. Now, let's have the next example, which I think is a subtraction. Okay, let's have subtract 16 and 589 thousandths minus 2 and 763 thousandths. Let us write that in column. We have 16 and 589 minus, syempre yung 2 katapat ng 6 kasi ones place value siya. 2 and 763. Now, let's have 9 minus 3. Palta ko ng kulay. 9 minus 3 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. And then 5 minus 7, pwede ba yun? Can we subtract 7 from 5? No. 5 will borrow 1 from 6 will become 5 and 5 will become 15. Now, 15 minus 7 is 8. Copy the decimal point here. Then 15 minus 2 or 5 minus 2 is 3. Bring down 1. Therefore, the answer is 13 and 826 thousandths. Now, let's go to the next example. Subtract 158 and 287 thousandths minus 29 and 763 thousandths. Let us write that in column. 158 and 287 thousandths minus yung 29 katapat ni 58. Kasi ay ones digit and then we have the tens digit. 763 thousandths. Now let us subtract. We have 7 minus 3 is 4. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 minus 7, can we subtract 7 from 2? That is not, cannot be. 2 will borrow 1 from 8, will become 7, and 2 will become 12. Now, 12 minus 7 is 5. Copy the decimal point. Can we subtract 9 from 7? 7 minus 9? Cannot be. So 7 will borrow 1 from 5. 5 will become 4. And 7 will become 17. So we have 17 minus 9 is 8. 4 minus 2 is 2. Bring down 1. So therefore, the answer is 128 and 524 thousandths. So that is subtraction with regrouping. Now, let's have another example wherein we have also a whole number here. Ginaya ko lang yung example sa addition pero pinalitan ko lang siya ng operation. So we have here 1,499 and 99 hundredths minus 500. Now, let us write that in column. 1,499 and 99 hundredths minus 500. So we have bring down 9, 9, 9, 9, and then 4 plus 5. 4 minus 5 cannot be. So again. And then we have 4 minus 5 cannot be. Or yung iba ganun ang ginagawa. 4 minus 5 cannot be. Pero tingnan nyo, ang natitira lang natin ay 14. So that is 14. Tingnan natin ha. Sabi nila 4 minus 5 cannot be. Gagawin nila 4 will become 14 and 1 will become 0. Come to think of it, shortcut na lang. Ganito lang yun. Hindi mo na kailangan manghiram si 4 so on. Kasi pwede mo nang gamitin yung 14 minus 5. That is 9. Pagta natin ang color. That is 9. The answer is 999 and 99 hundredths. Alright, example, we have 9 minus 1 in 165 thousandths. So that is our example. A whole number minus a mixed decimal. We have 9 minus, yung katapat ng 9 ay 1. And 165 thousandths. Ito yung tinatawag nating with zero difficulty. So dahil wala siya, full number siya, lalagyan natin siya ng placeholder. So ayan na. Nagkaroon na tayo ng 9.000. So we have here 0 minus 5. So ito yung may tinatawag na zero difficulty. 0 minus 5 cannot be. Wala namang hihiramin si 5 kay 0. Kaya si 0 will borrow 1. Will borrow 1 from 0. May mahihiram ba si 0? Wala din. Kaya yung preceding 0 until siya sa 9, maghihiram siya. So 9 will become 8. This 0 will become 9. And the last 0 will become 10. Tandaan nyo, kapag sunod-sunod na 0 yan, yung last na 0 lang ang 10 at yung mga kasunod na 0 ay 9. And then the non-zero digit, the first non-zero digit on the given will be subtracted by 1. Ang first non-zero digit natin, nag-iisa lang naman ay 9, kaya siya naging 8. Doon tayo nang hiram ng 1. Alright, now, we have 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 1 is 8. And 8 minus 1 is 7. Copy the decimal point. We have 7 in 835 thousandths. Let's have another example. 15 minus 4 and 2,763. So, 15, whole number siya. Lagyan natin siya ng mga zeros. So, 0 minus 3, syempre, cannot be. 0 will borrow from 0 until 5. So, yung 5 ang mababawasan magiging 4, 9, 9, 9. Ang magiging 10 lang ay yung pinakadulong 0. So, we have here 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 2 is 7, decimal point, we have 4 minus 4 is 0, bring down 1. So the answer is 10 and 7,237 thousandths. So ito yung may 0 difficulty. Now, that is for a review. Let's have okay, here in learning task number 2, I will not be answering this, but I will be discussing to you each problem. Okay, so in learning task number 2, solve word problem involving addition and subtraction of decimal and mixed decimal numbers with or without regrouping. Use the 4-step solving word problems. Do these in your notebook. So we have the 4-step. What are the 4 steps in problem solving? We have the understand, we have understand. So sa understand, dun mo sasagutan yung what is asked and what are given. So yan po ay step 1. So this is step 1. Step 2 is plan. So sabi 4 step yung kailangan. So we have step 1, understand. Step 2 is plan. Under plan, na ando naman yung operation. What operation will be used? And the number sentence. So that is step 2. Step 3. Step 3 is solve. So syempre, sa step 3, that is your solution. And then step 4 is check. Just check whether your answer is correct or just to look back with your solution and answer. Let's proceed to the first problem. I will be explaining the first problem. Now, the first problem here, in a sale, a microwave cost 2,999 pesos and 99 centavos. It has been reduced by 500 pesos. What was its price before the sale? So, meron daw na microwave oven. During a sale. Ibig sabihin, bumaba yung price niya. And, it cost 2,999 999 pesos now. Ito na yung price niya. And then, it has been reduced by 500. Nakasave ka daw ng 500 pesos. Again, the price of microwave now is 2,999 pesos and 99 centavos. The price has been reduced by 500 pesos. What was its price before the sale? So, magkano ito bago pa nagkaroon ng sale? So, that is problem number 1. Next, problem number 2. Mr. Lagrazon has a 15-hectare banana plantation and a 12 and 8,567 10,000 hectare sugarcane plantation. Ang yaman naman ni Mr. Lagrazon. How much bigger is the banana plantation than the sugar cane? Now, here, meron daw siyang banana plantation na ang pinakasukat ay 15 hectare. And then, meron din siyang, ayan, ang laki, 15 hectare. Meron din siyang sugarcane plantation, which is 12 and 8,567 hectare. So, ganun kalawak din. The question here, the question here is, how much bigger? How much bigger? Gaano daw kalaki? Or gaano kalamang yung laki ng banana plantation kaysa sa sugar cane plantation? No? Kasi mas malaki yung banana, which is 15 hectare. Samantalang yung sugar cane is 12 and 8,567 10,000 hectares. No? So, ang tinatanong, how much bigger? Gaano mas kalaki yung banana plantation sa sugar cane plantation? So, that is problem number 2. Now, let's go to problem number 3. Mang Juan has hectares of land. Ito na naman, no? Ang yayaman nila. He sold 2 and 725 10,000 hectares to his neighbors. About how many hectares of land does he own now? So, napakadali naman. So, nung una, meron siyang ganitong kalaki, which is 5 hectare. Pinagbili niya yung 2 and 725 10,000 hectares. How many hectares of land does he own now? Gaano kalaki na lang yun natira sa kanya? So, gano'n lang kasimple. Now, let's proceed. Proceed to the next learning task, which is learning task number 3. Again, show the 4 steps in solving word problem. We have understand, plan, solve, and check. Write your answer in your notebook. So, hindi ko na papakita yung sagot doon sa what is asked, what are given. Papaliwanag ko na lang yung inyong problem. So, alam nyo na yon. Now, let's go with problem number 1. Miss Apolinario had 11,235 pesos and 85 centavos savings in the bank. Yeah, we need to save money. She withdrew 850 pesos on Tuesday and another 1,035 pesos on Friday. How much was her balance on her savings? So, isang maganda sa mga kaugalian ni Miss Apolinario, she saves money. So, sana gayahin natin yan. And then, let's proceed on how to solve this problem. So, dahil may savings siya, ang savings niya ay 11,235 pesos and 85 centavos. She withdrew. Nag-withdraw siya ng pera nung Tuesday. Ayan. Ang withdraw niya nung Tuesday ay, so ang withdraw niya ay 850 pesos. Kailan? Nung Tuesday. Tapos, siguro may pinagkagastusan uli siya. Nag-withdraw ulit si Miss. Bukod doon sa 850, nag-withdraw ulit siya nung Tuesday. Erase na natin yung 850. Nung Tuesday, nag-withdraw naman siya ng 1,035 pesos. Yan yung withdraw niya, bukod pa dun sa 850 pesos. Ito naman, withdraw niya nung Friday. The question is, how much was her balance on her savings? Magkano na lang yung natira dito sa pera niya? So that is problem. Problem number 1. Now let's proceed to problem number 2. Oh. Tony is buying materials for his school portfolio. The store is selling supplies such as a clear book for 149 pesos and 99 centavos, a pack of colored paper for 132 pesos and 75 centavos, and accessories for 50 pesos and 25 centavos. So, uso ngayon yan, no, yung portfolio. Dahil tayo ay nasa new normal, gagawa ang bawat students ng portfolio. That is so, bumili daw siya na meron daw tinda sa isang store ng clear book. Ang cost niya ay 149 pesos and 99 centavos. At ang pack ng colored paper ay 132 pesos and 75 centavos. And accessories for 50 pesos and 25 centavos. Ito yung tanong. What would be the total if she buys one clear book? So, isang clear book ang bibili niya. Bibili siya ng isang clear book, 2 packs of colored paper, so dalawang colored paper, and accessories. So, magkano daw yung babayaran niya? Isang clear book, dalawang colored paper, at isang accessories or isang set ng accessories. So, magkano lahat siya? O, tandaan nyo, ito ay isa lang na clear book, pero dalawang pack ng colored paper. Ibig sabihin, madodoble ang presyo nito. At isang accessories. Pag nadoble mo na yung presyo nito, i-add mo lang siya lahat. So, that is the answer for this question. May kasunod pa yan. So, the next question is, how much would be her change if she pays 500 pesos at the cashier? So, kanina, di ba, bumili siya ng isa nito, dalawang pack nito, at isa nito. So, kapag nakuha mo na yung total amount niya, isa-subtract mo yon sa 500 pesos para malaman mo yung change na marireceive niya sa cashier. So, that is for this problem. Sana medyo naintindihan. Alright, now let's go back to the next slide. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye!